Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now I'm in a call. No lies, look. I'm in my room. Okay. Now let's do Mr. Bean avatar in Brookhaven RP. Okay. Okay, now. Just let me screenshot it. Okay, let me okay. This is his first time, she's first time being in my video.
Hi guys.
Okay. No. Bro, what's that? Okay. Okay, now we're in Roblox. Now, where's Brookhaven RP, baby? Okay, let's play Brookhaven RP. Not gonna lie, she's unsubscriber. Not gonna lie, shout out to him. Shout out to her. Shout out to her, not gonna lie.
I have a profile too.
Yep. Say your name loud. Say your name.
I'm your biggest fan, ha?
Oh, thanks. Now, okay. I test some video. That's why my avatars look like that. Wait. Let me show her my screen. Let me show her my screen now. So he can see that drip. So he can see my drip. Look at my drip. Oh no. Oh no. Let's go back there. And sharing screens. Okay, I'm sharing screen right now. Bro. 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 Hey. Do you see my screen? Do you see my screen?
Yep.
You'll see the real drip.
Did you know the update?
Oh yeah. And there's a new store, right?
There's a new button.
Yeah. And I see there's 3 of them. And the one of them are premium, right? That's not the drip. Don't look at it. That's not the drip, okay? That's not the drip. That's the drip. Look, look. That's the real drip.
Can you look at that here?
Huh? Huh?
Can you look at that here?
The new store?
Yep.
Okay? I'm going there right now. Okay, guys. Before we do this video, you want to see the new shop, and it's right there. There's the new update. Do you see it?
Oh wow.
Now let's get started in the video. Okay. Now go to the close section and go in the searching, of course. Not gonna lie, let me the
daycare.
and let's daycare. Let me do that later. Okay, now search Mr. Bean. We're doing Mr. Bean in a cool, yeah. How many times you see me vlogging in a call? 10 times?
The daycare.
Okay, let me. Okay, you shall pick the second one. Okay, you shall pick the second one. We're taking off all of the drip, okay? Let's take out of the drip right now. Okay, why I'm putting back the drips. Goodbye drips. Okay, now search Mr. Bean again in the shirt pants. Mr. Daycare? Bro, you just make me mess up. Mr. Sorry for putting the camera there. There we go. Now, just pick this one. I mean, not that one. This one. You want to see the drip right now? That's the drip. Okay, that's not drip. That's not drip. Now, go to the skin color and just pick the second one. Sad face.
Go to the daycare.
Later. And now, let's scroll down until you see the man face. Okay, scroll. Where's the man face at? Man face.
Go to the
Okay, we found the man face. Hey, you! Now go to the hair section. Hair section. Scroll down till you see this hair. Scroll down till you see this bald. That.
Go to the daycare. No.
Can you wait? Now, let's pick this. That's the one.
You took so long.
That's Mr. Bean avatar. Now, let's just go to the deck. Let's just go to the deck right now. We're going to the deck. Bro, it's so hard to control it while vlogging. I'm using a tablet. Cause I'm using a tablet. Okay, I'm using... Bro. I'm losing control right now. I'm losing control. That's the deck. Yep. Guys, that's the update. And the update have on second floor. They can never have on second floor, right? That's the deck. No.
I like the downstairs.
Yep. But now you're not seeing my face in this video cause this is
Showing me the daycare.
okay. But I think if they see you, they gonna run over you and ask my address.
What are you saying?
Cause I'm vlogging you right now. All the time. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Chill. Now that's all of the day. And I'll decline this call. Goodbye. Bye. Bye, guys.